This is one of our most powerful engine Lego cars, built with 300 Lego blocks. Right now we have 300 Lego blocks, and today I am going to build a wonderful Lego car from these 300 blocks. First of all, I am going to build the chassis because we are going to make the chassis the strongest. Whatever power of Lego will be of the engine and chassis strip of our car, we have to build the chassis strong. This is actually a moving, wonderful, real car. Right now I'm building a Lego chassis, and it's a really cool chassis build, and it's going to be a great Lego chassis in the future. And I'm going to put an engine in it, and I'm going to put 2 real working gates in it. Hello children's party and my dear Lego friends, have you ever built such a Lego block at home? Then please comment and subscribe to the channel. And now in the next video, I am going to make a Lego water park, and it is going to be very cool, so please subscribe to us on our YouTube channel for that. Now we're building the engine for this car. First I'll add some small blocks. Now I am building the engine, and it is really going to be a very powerful engine, and I have given it a wonderful design which is better than Lego. And yes, you will not find such an engine available even in Lego store, because I have put a lot of thought in making this engine, and I have built a wonderful engine for my Lego friends. See how good it looks. Now we are going to make a front damper and 4 silencers on the sides. It is going to make a really nice sound when our Lego car runs, and it also looks amazing.